Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Drive link to share your photos. In order to do that, first of all you have to create a folder in your Google Drive. Just simply click on a new folder. Now give the name of photos and create a new folder. Now just go into my drive. As you can see here, this folder name is photo. Now if you want to upload all the photos you want to upload, create a link, just drag into that folder. Now the photos are uploading. All photo has been uploaded in the photo folder. Now what you can do is here, either you can just copy the folder link, just click on the photos. Now click on the share, and now just click on the share button again. Now from here just click on a restrict to anyone with the link and copy the link and share with you want to share. Now if you want to share only one image, just simply click on the image which you want to share and right click. After that something like this will appear and click on the share. Now from here just copy the link. Make sure you have selected this anyone with the link. So click copy and done and share with you want to share. So this is how you can create a drive link to share your photos.